When summer humidity storms in, your furry buddy feels it first. Time to bring out your best game changer, Waykar Dehumidifier. Smart and portable, Waykar pulls up to 150 pints a day. Perfect for basements and large rooms. Humidity drops quickly, see, just like that. And the color bar turns green when comfort kicks in. Looks like your buddy's feeling it too. And there is more. Energy Star Efficient, 90-degree auto air swing, 3-level adjustable fan, easy mode setting, 40 dB quiet operation, 24-hour timer with worry-free child lock. And it auto restarts on its own with power off memory. Auto defrosting keeps efficiency at its best. A visible water tank with full alarm prevents messy spills. Just pull, lift, and go. Want more? Check the gravity and pump drain options. Easy to remove. The filter rinses clean in seconds. Waykar Dehumidifier, the quiet game changer for every home.
Waykar, freely breathe, lifelong benefits.